road lead go Iguobazuwa public feed for Ovia Southwest local government area on Wednesday, August 13, 2025, as the All Progressive Congress APC end their campaign for Ovia Federal constituency with one massive rally. Party leaders, chieftains and supporters full ground to throw their weight behind Gabriela Omosede Igbinedion, the APC candidate for the vacant House of Representatives seat. Morale high as the party yarns a victory dey sure for Saturday's election. Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honorable Idahosa will represent Governor Monday Okpegolo come yarn the people say after them waka all the 23 wards wey make up the constituency, dem dey sure say APC don ready for clear win this Saturday. Ikonyan say Ovia Southwest and Ovia Northeast na APC home, say they never lose election here before and this week no go be the first time. Oga Idahosa comes to talk say the kind win wey dem go get go help bring better development come Ovia. Ikon still confirm say sensitive election materials go reach all the wards today wey be Thursday, August 14.
This is the grand finale for all our campaign. We have gone through the 23 wards that makes Ovia Federal constituency. And today we are here at Iguobazuwa, the federal constituency headquarters. By the grace of God, this Saturday, the 16th, Omosede will be announced as the winner of this election. We are not here to campaign because we know that Ovia people have decided that it is Omosede 100%. Have you not been so? If you have made up your mind to vote, Gabriela Omosede Igbinedion, raise up your hands. Let me quickly say something. Ovia Southwest and Ovia Federal constituency has always been APC. Are they alive? We never will lose election before, and we will not lose election. By the grace of God, the executive governor of Edo State, he has promised Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu 2.5 million votes. And the litmus test is this Saturday. Are you ready? The governor said, make I tell you now. Say una vote, una percentage of votes, because we know say Omosede don't win. Then the winning margin, now make us stay here. He said the percentage of votes when una bring come out for Ovia, now they attract development to Ovia. Are we not now? Una want development to Ovia? So our people, may we not talk too much. By the grace of God on Saturday, especially the women. Women, oh yeah! If your husband from today now go start to the campaign for Omosede, you go know if the man they do what you. If your husband not go campaign for Omosede, if not rich, may you wanna. Now let I touch you. Women, oh yeah! Some people they fear, no worry. Una wife not there. So our people, I talk that for women. I say the units and the word will give my sister, Barrister Gabriela Omosede Igbinedion, the highest votes. I said that word, I go give them 10 million naira. When we go Ugbobi ward a few days ago, Honorable also where I call out 2 million joiner. Ogbede Yama call out 2 million joiner. It come be 14 million. Una no say I be like that. I'm from this community, Iguobazuwa Westward. And I talk and say that we go win another green. 14 million naira to una. But I'm sure say Iguobazuwa go win am. Iguobazuwa all the I don't do you a dollar for that one. All the sensitive materials, they go start to distribute them to various local government headquarters. Start on Friday, from there to different wards and units. The election, if we not quick come up for here, the election don't reach. And by the grace of God, Omosede, the candidate, is from Ovia Northeast. When they hear me, I know say she will get 13 over 13. For Ovia Southwest, we get 10 wards. We know say she will get 10 over 10. I want to send a very strong warning to all those small mosquitoes where they say they belong to one political party or the other. There is no contest. It's one party and one Omosede. By the grace of God on Saturday, no other political party. Because we don't resolve of here. We don't want to send somebody where they go to show road. We need development for Ovia. As I see what you they bring come Ovia through Omosede, me and governor they bring come to Ovia. The councils they bring come Ovia. The councillors they bring come Ovia. No be development that comes so. For Ovia now, we have 3 hours of assembly, 2 na APC. Una dey hear me? The other one wey dey, don't worry, I no wan talk. Huh? We leave everything to God. On Saturday, I want to show that by the grace of God, it's going to be one man, one vote. We want to tell them, say Ovia is APC, not a changer, not a changer. And I want to use this opportunity to call on all the 7 local government chairmen. All the 7 local government chairmen, council chairmen, they are here. I want to thank you for the solidarity. God Almighty will bless you now. The way we that take stand with the party, God will still stand with you now. On that day, our people, governor, don't say make I tell you now. The more vote where you bring come, the more development that will go to that world. Are we in agreement? Are we in agreement? Based on that, I know say on Saturday, Omosede go get 13 over 13 for Ovia Northeast, 10 over 10 in Ovia Southwest. That is 23 wards that makes Ovia Federal Constituency. So our people, may we quickly go start the campaign. We know say government, this government is ready to stand with Omosede to bring more development to Ovia Federal Constituency.
Edo APC Chemo Emperor Jared Tenebe, where Party Secretary Lawrence Oka represents, come yarn the voters say make them join hand vote for Omosede, say her victory with Idahosa for government go bring more value and progress to Ovia. Other party chieftains and leaders wey show face for the rally na Dr. Pius Odubu, Chief Lucky Maswen, Senator Matthew Rohide, Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly Right Honorable Blessing Agbebaku, Pastor Sage Izeyamu, Coordinator Office of Edo State First Lady Edesile Okpegolo Anani, Honorable Andrew Zamere, Senator Nenda Imaswe, and many others. Them also add their voice to ginger the people of Ovia to come out plenty and vote APC.
If nothing else at all, because we summer, are you not going to vote? What we call this Mr. Projects. There's nowhere in Ovia, I don't want to put that someone don't have to vote. And this is the daughter. As she's alive, let this one to thank him for its foresight and the project he has done for Ovia. Bringing a university to Ovia is not a pride. Nothing else is more than that, a university. Government, it's difficult for government to even build university on top of a private individual. And the first in Nigeria. Please let all of us join our hands together and vote for Omosede Igbinedion. It's the candidate of the party. That is, it doesn't end there. The governor is ready to work and develop Ovia more than it is before. Are you not happy? The deputy governor is from here. Both of them combination will add value to Ovia. It is value we want, not any other point. And in any case, there's no other person, no other candidate can contest in Ovia. There's no contestant. As I told you earlier, if I just wait for that day before, Omosede is already our candidate and he's going to national assembly. Is that not so?
Today, we come here. We come beg una because of our big sister, Omosede Igbinedion. Now she dey go for House of Rep. Me, I come from Owan Nation, from Edo North. We come here, God support our sister, Omosede. I want to beg everybody, the Ijaw people, the Yorubas, the Arewas, the indigenous themselves, the Obias. On Saturday, all of una, make una go feed una different units. We all are the vote. If una reach there, they go tell una ballot paper. As our first lady talk, you don't go see a picture there. What do you go see there? Na broom. Àwọn Yorùbá, tẹ́ bá dé polling unit, ẹ máa rí ìgbálẹ̀ nínú ìwé yẹn. Ìgbálẹ̀ lẹ́ máa dìbò sí. Ṣóyè ìnísí, óyè ìnísí. I thank you all. On Saturday, by 2 o'clock, Omosede will be the winner of this election. God bless you all.
God promote her, he come make her deputy governor. That is seat. Now we want feel so. Not being to tell us who go fill that seat. Not being to tell us who go fill that seat. And Omosede, now our daughter. When our brother dey contest for deputy governor, Omosede he resigned from PDP. He said she not fit another party. And person from Ofa, he gets position of deputy governor. She go support her. Now from our mouth now here, Ovia agenda. He said if you like Ovia, you go get Ovia agenda. So she supports our brother to win. Now when you don't win, instead of Omosede, the one wey dey support me, I go support you. Omosede go win. Omosede go win. Make I talk to una. The last governorship election, una no do well at all. Una no do well. I don't know wetin happen, but una make many of us shame because this man na person wey we dey proud of. The number of projects wey dem go don do no be small. No be small. I just dey leave University of Benin Teaching Hospital. The thing wey dem build for them, big center for treatment, na him bring am come there. The minister come, he say na because of her na dem bring am come there. Not because of Dr. Obaseki, because of her na dem bring am come. When this kind man stand up say dey look for something, everybody suppose support am. Many of us wey come here, we are not from Ovia, but because of the love and respect we get for them, na make us come. This election of here, una go make a shame. Una go make a shame. Make una vote for it because they wan look the results. The governor don face his side. The governor dey get the election there. The governor tell us say go and face your side. We wan find out who love our pass for here. And I tell you now, if una love this man, the highest vote must come from Iguobazuwa. The highest vote must come from Ovia Southwest. What your talk makes sense? What your talk makes sense?
When we dey oral word, I tell the people for oral word, say the thing wey dey happen today for Ovia na Ovia North East and Ovia Southwest Federal Constituency. When we dey talk so, e never happen before. The thing when God won't give you now for Ovia so, it never happen. When God be say, una go get rep, when they the same party, una deputy governor, like from Ovia, deputy governor aligned with governor, governor aligned with president, all of them one party. Nobody will go see. Nobody will see. Somebody else, Oga no go get anything from federal. The only person who go vote for, when go bring development from federal, join the governor, join the deputy governor. Now, so. Number two, Omosede don't go out on rent before, don't be moved. You know the thing what they do there. No other person today. When they contest selection, when you don't pass Omosede, we never start again. We will start from where Omosede make sure say we get development. So at the tell you now, if you say we lucky, we already know where we are. The secretary from come, we for like to get deputy governor, get president, but on our tongue they got one for now. So what is going on for now?
Everybody here say woman forget her pikin for house. Now who we go vote for? Who go remember us when she reach federal? Who go remember us when she reach federal? Train a woman. Train a woman. Women are great. No controversy. Everybody don't talk. I thank all of them. I recognize our excellency, the deputy governor, and everybody standing here. Thank you for the support. Today, I'm not going to repeat what they don't talk. But now our sister, the women when they here, when they putting her hand up, oh, now most of them will support our own. Now they vote for election, making her not disappoint, oh, make the men to, making her come out that day. Omosede don't dey there before. They don't pass the baton to her. Our excellency don't give her the baton. Now turn by turn. He say I still say she go fit do am. That's why I give her. And I don't talk a woman no dey forget her own. She no go forget us for here. She go bring development come here. She go bring healthcare come here. She go bring wetin go make everybody happy for here. Now woman gets everywhere. So make we vote her and support her on Saturday. And I no go see on Saturday that day for ballot paper. Now prove we go see. Now prove we go see APC. Omosede Abuja direct.
Omosede Gabriela. Anything you put your hand over. Yes. Anything you put your hand over. You too will be a boss. You are going to Abuja. If you believe, say amen. If you believe, say amen. If you believe, say amen. Okay, people, are you ready? Until now, see all the big masquerade right there. When I see big masquerade like this, and I'm not saying something big, wow. We not come from Ovia, but we come Ovia on solidarity. Come show support. Because since all of now, God put our leader, Iguobazuwa, and Idahosa for governor and deputy governor. These are the first election what we want to do. Not be so? The only test when politicians they do the election. So if you win, let me say you try well. I think of here people that like when I saw Idahosa. On a like them. So this election when they come, not be A+ you go get. Now, you know, they say for Benin, I want comments when I wear away. The only way we can tell Iguobazuwa
that you are grateful for selecting your son, Denko, as the deputy governor, is to get 99.9 in this election. And I hear this so? Omosede, they say, follow who no road, not be so that they talk am. Omosede don't go House of Rep before. They would have not wasted a vote to vote on the other person. Now vote for Omosede, he go there, begin for where he stopped before. The speaker when he did that, so he know him. Kukuma, the house leader, the Homere, he know him. That one from Edo State. Speaker, APC. House leader, APC. Deputy speaker, APC. So who now want to send novice, go there, make go the waste time? If he go there and at the same party, so he go do a lot of things to join what he then go to do for Obia. If una say that if na make mistake, go send another person. Before 4 years, we should not go know where road dey. You not go know what they happen for House of Rep. Una hear me so? Make una vote for Omosede. On Saturday, I'm going to bow to you people for voting massively for APC. APC!
I tell you, say, Omosede they go back. They stand on 4 legs. One, if something harder for them, he go call the immediate past deputy governor. He just will come up for them. That's why he will speak and be. 2, if something hard for them, he go open the door, he go put the key because he don't go there before. 3, if something hard for them, he go call the governor of Edo State. Now say friend to Senate President, now friend to Deputy Senate President, now friend to President. He go open the door for the governor. 4, if the thing hard, the man that created Okada, that put Okada in the world dictionary. The other one is the first private airline owner in Nigeria. That thing, you know if you're going to do,
If all of you that day, come rain, come sunshine, you want to go for house, take your husband, take your wife, take your pikin away, finish to vote. All of you go vote. Election don't finish. As you don't see and so, now only APC in the streets, no other party in the streets. And for the whole of Obia, the APC na get am. And so I thank you for all the sacrifices that don't make. Well, now they come out, even if they rain, to support Omosede. Omosede don't go there before. I don't talk about before where I go before. I say, Omosede no road. Don't be first timer. Don't be someone who will go there to find road. We don't know what they do for them. When you are still go back again, you will come be senior legislator. You will come there ranking, you go rank. Your position will come high. You will come still bring many things come of here. And of here, it lacks so many things. But when you are still Omosede there, as they go back now as a ranking member, it will bring so much comfort there. So we come back and vote for Omosede. Make una vote for am. Make una come out in these numbers. More than this, even make una come vote for am. Because, like I said, if all of una come out, election not over. If they count all of them 1 by 1 since 1, 2, 3, election not finish now. Ballot paper don't finish. Omosede don't win. So I beg we come back now. All of us will come from other local governments. We come here with solidarity as one to support Omosede, to make sure say on Saturday, Omosede, when they count in votes, now Omosede win.
After the rally, DJ Idahosa can lead the APC of Ovia Federal Constituency Campaign Council, and the candidate go greet the Odionwere of Iguobazuwa Pa Edward Eduayobare Igbinovia. The Odionwere and the elders can pray make the election favor APC.
Obi Omoto, Osagbowore, Dennis, Idahosa, the deputy governor, Edo State Elena. Okafia Mamene, Buwaro Pamariwa, gave no shuru, na. Namwe, Omosede Igbinedion, as a representative, Abuja. So at time okay can you do me for so I have if I people in a tia dedo and no be marry bao na yao now allow or I will go down yo allow why are you boy yo na that could be now where you Omosede Igbinedion ebi ya no ga we gani ọmọ yin ma ni ko ba do wa pa ọmọ me no but e ma so ne ko e ti mi gbe yana ho ni a fi e ko gbe de ko e ma gbe we yo I have known her for a long time kaka bo wa won so ina we ta bi aki ko ngaro pa ma we ariwa ina we ti ko so wa o ko wa le no ke o wala no so na wa je ko mi ma wa ja mo ese be no bi ma to ya ka mi ma na we no ta mi ma so wa ko ya o ma pe ya we ya ko yo ino ya meta na ewe de na ho akata ma we yo to na wa e le ta na ni wa Usaba de Bawa. Omosede Igbinedion. Wa muso in the home. Wa muso in the home. Wa muso in the home. Aya yana me we. Ino so bo aso. O mo so bo aso no. Iguobazuwa. O gare wona kure wona. Aso wa ma ne mi ba o to mo ne mi ba o. E ba so baba. O mo lo ku lo ko kunde. Ejo ni bwewu na ogudugu ni eke osa ofun egbe ukodo obe esu ewo awefa ofun oregbon awo mewo awile neki ikiri na abo ewo awo nyato ejo ìdájú wa àpapọ̀nyẹ mẹ́wò wà bá orí mẹ́rin ọdún ẹwẹ́ wà bí apá orí gbọ́gbá tó wà náà yá fẹ́ èmi náà dáàmù wà náà wà yá ìwé mi ó dá èmi náà inú sàlùpà ó sàlùpà ó náà wá èmi náà nínú ọba ó náà wá èmi náà ìrètí ẹnìkàwó náà wá agbenari aze no wi mana Omosede Igbinedion no ya ri wa no yo we Abuja representative ai wa te biare una kore una na ka do no ma ke okeke o nda ma o yere wa na o fu ma gbere o gba no we no ma die wo na ni no ma di ko bia ni ma me ya yo no we no ma ye o ri pe je Omosede Igbinedion APC opono omoto no idije ano idije no gbale no ma wo to na o ri pe Omosede Igbinedion APC no o wa gbe yiwa APC agbe yiwa kolowe yawuru yaru boyi osoto ne une na ino no we video no ma ga ru ame wona no ele no ma de wona o ma pe yo o ya fe wiri oko ekejo ni pe wona eri aso ka eri ma ka eri ke ka ro gidi gbo ka ìlú tó kún ká ẹ ẹbọ báyọ̀ rẹ̀ wọ̀nà ẹ̀rí ọkà ẹ wò ọmọ náà gbọ́lẹ̀ ìnàmọ́ wọ́n náà yá wú pèrèpèrè yá lọ́wọ́ ìnàmọ́ ọwọ́ àdùkọ́ yorùbá ní ọwọ́ apáni ọwọ́ ayákọ́ ẹ̀ wàá ẹ̀rọ ní tánà náà dábẹ́ náà máa hàn òṣà yíyọ náà kẹ̀yí ọmọ náà gbọ́lẹ̀ ìnàmọ́ wọ́n náà wá bíbí yá náà gbọ́lẹ̀ ìnàmọ́ wọ́n náà wá yorùbá yẹ APC náà wá ọwọ́ apáni nínú ìdájọ́ yìí lókún ká ṣe pé wọ́n tán òkè káwọn náà bàjẹ́ tó bá mi ló ti yẹ Oko awa okuhuna no mu. Oba mo se do wa kuhuni aya o. Oba adogbe.
For their talk with Turi people, the Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa, Campaign Director General Charity Amayevu, and the candidate Omosede Igbinedion come talk say,
with the support we have gotten from the 23 wards that makes Ovia Federal Constituency, Omosede will get minimum of total of 90% of the PVC collected in Ovia Federal Constituency. Because you can see the support from all the wards that we've been to. And here is my community, where we had the grand finale today. And you can see the mammoth crowd that received her. And we are just waiting for Saturday. When Saturday comes, all of you will be happy. Whatever happened in the past cannot repeat itself again. So we have done all the necessary things that we need to do to ensure that it doesn't repeat itself again. But what is important to us is that the other political parties, they are not even campaigning. And where there is no visibility anywhere out of the 23 wards that makes Ovia. So we are not expecting to contest anybody. It's only Omosede with Omosede. So that's why this election is going to be the easiest election in the history of Ovia Federal Constituency. We are so convinced that Omosede will get minimum of 90% of the total collected PVC in Ovia Federal Constituency.
Appealing to the voters of Ovia Federal Constituency to not waste their vote on any other party, simply because I have presented myself as the experienced legislator and the only experienced legislator running this race. And for that very reason, I believe that the people of Ovia will vote wisely, because just like, you know, a lawyer wants to attain becoming a SAN one day or become a judge, in the same vein as well, the legislative arm of government does also have what you would call ranking. And it's very imperative for the people of Ovia to understand the meaning of ranking. We don't want a seat at the back. We want the best committees. We want the best chairmanship positions that are on the table, just because we have experience in the legislative arm of government. I'm not one that does not know the corridors of the National Assembly. I do not need to find my way to the Speaker's office or to the chambers and ask for directions. I'm going there immediately to start working, and I believe I already even know my office number. And I know how to get there. So I'm going to work for the good people of Ovia Federal Constituency. His Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa, who has led this campaign tirelessly, even on his birthday, when I thought he would sit at home and take a day out, he did not. He led this campaign, and he's led it from the heart. It has been one love in Ovia Federal Constituency. Before now, I believe that the votes were mainly divided between myself and the Deputy Governor when he was contesting. But today, I believe with us being in one party right now, working for the progress and development of the people of Ovia Federal Constituency, I have no doubt that the people of Ovia will vote for one party, and that is APC. It's quite simple, you know, it's simple arithmetics. The governor is an APC governor, and we're in an APC state. Of course, the easiest person to be able to approach the governor's office and the deputy governor's office to seek anything or to rub minds would be a member of their own party, you know. So I think it just makes everything much easier. And likewise, at the level of the presidency too, it's the same thing, you know. It'd be easy for an APC member to go and ask for anything at the federal and get it before a member of any other party. So it's simple, you know, we're in an APC government right now, and we need to vote APC. And not just that alone, because, like I said, I have the experience.
I can tell you, Ovia people have resolved from our campaign in all the 23 wards and the 486 units. It is crystal clear that on Saturday, as latest as 2 o'clock, APC will be declared official winner of the elections. What we know as I speak to you now is that we have won the election. The only thing we don't know is the percentage of our victory, whether it's going to be 95, 96, 97, 98 or 100%. That is what we are going to wait for on Saturday to determine. But for the fact that Ovia is still trying to make that decision, that one has been made is clear in all our campaign. It was spoken to us in clear languages. The traditional rulers, the students, the market women, all stakeholders in Ovia. There is only one party in Edo State, and that party is APC. It's flowing from His Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Asiwaju, down to our distinguished Senator Monday Okpebolo. He's able and dynamic, loyal Deputy Governor Denis Asa, who is the son of the soul, who has been Christian Mr. Project for this same position. So, in fact, we are just waiting for Saturday for INEC to officially declare APC as the winner in this election.
Una go remember, said the Ovia Federal Constituency campaign starts on August 1st, 2025 for Okada Town, where Governor Monday Okpebolo flag am off, and in just 10 days, the campaign team don't touch every ward for the 2 local governments where make up the constituency. They ginger the people to vote for APC. Make una not forget, say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am. We not the take blame. Ekata Ojesele, TMC News.